Hello YouTube and welcome to part 3 of the Frontend Mentor suit landing page challenge. So we're gonna continue, and as you guys can see, I have realized a big mistake. The thing is, like, I realized that we should have used grid because I did not pay attention here. As you guys can see, there are 3 columns and then you have like 2, and I just looked here and here. I didn't really pay attention here. So I mean, that is kind of bad, but also I'm not so comfortable with grid. So we'll just have to, but I'm gonna try my best and see. So if you see this video, it means that I somewhat made it, but yeah, this is how it is, guys. Like, it's not perfect, and this is also showing the importance of planning, the tools that the properties that you're gonna use before you start, because if you plan, you're gonna avoid things like this. But it's okay, we're gonna fix that. And also I realized that, as you guys can see, I added padding to the main in the last video, which you shouldn't do because this is spanned all the way to 100%. So just remove padding in the main and add padding to the containers of the other ones. But yeah, guys, let's get started. Also, to make this perfect, you can see we have like things like here, like this is the heading. It should have a 72 pixel, 78 line space, and all these things. So even though they all have like, let me see, this is 20, this is 20, this is 18. Yeah, but screw that, guys, it's okay. So let's start. And the thing, because they all have different sizes, so we're gonna add that first. So I'm just gonna quickly do that. So I'm gonna go all the way down. So this is the tablet view, and let's just copy that, and let's get the this is gonna be okay, desktop. So we just need to get the also we need to do the grid here, but we need to have a mobile too. So we have like a universal one, and let's see, this is gonna be, so the minimum width is gonna be max width. So all the fonts here, guys, we have to just, so we're gonna start with the let's see, this is the body, this is the header, right? So we're gonna copy the header. We're gonna go to the, I'm just gonna remove everything here. Okay, so this is the header, and we're interested in how the header looks like in mobile, right? So let's look. So this is pretty much perfect. So this is gonna be, I don't know how big the mobile is gonna be. Like, it's gonna be until, let's see, so max width, so everything above. So yeah, so this is mobile pretty much. So we have to remain under 357. This is gonna be mobile. Okay, so let's see, this is the wrong image. Also the image, guys, we have to do that too, and we have to add the image inside the section because we are going to use grid. So it needs to be inside this one, and the UL needs to be inside this, so it's inside the hero section, right? So we need to change the image. So for the image, we need to use a new, because we have different images, so we can't use a one image. So I'm just gonna copy that, or actually I'm gonna comment that out, And I'm gonna add picture, and we're gonna have one source. If I remember, let me see, source. I think that was one. It's a one line, I think. So I don't know if it was source set. Let's see. Picture MDN. Okay, so source set and the media. Okay. So we're gonna do assets. Oh, we need to do this. Assets, image, hero. So we have landscape, which is what we need, and we have just no. Okay, let's see, images. Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, let's try. Let's just try that one. And we need to add media, right? So media, min, max width, max. $357 pixels. See. Yeah, there's something I'm not doing right, guys. Let me see here. We have this, and I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT because I'm not able to. This is gonna be min width, and we're gonna have that as 357. We're gonna change that to portrait, like that. And then we're gonna have an image, which is gonna be the fallback image. So I'm just gonna, since it has tablet, we're just gonna do landscape there. So we're gonna do assets. I'm gonna do like that, and we are going to use a source that. So I'm just gonna see if that is gonna work. I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT if that's correct. Because I feel like I'm missing something. So let's see. It's almost correct, but there's a small issue with media query in the. Oh yeah, okay, I see. There's no space between max width and blah blah blah. All right, so let's just add this. Okay, now we have the correct image, so that's good. And now we need to what? Okay, so now we need to just fix things, but we're gonna do the actual sizes in the different phones, right? So here we already have it. We just need to put it in the mobile and then desktop and blah blah blah. So it's gonna be a lot of work. So let's just get started. So I want to start with but the header is, let's see. We also need to add padding. It doesn't have padding here. Let's see, something else. Let's see, 300. So yeah, we need to width. So we want the mobile to span all the way to this width. I don't know why I said 300 whatever. Let's see. Okay. So we're gonna go here and we're going to go to image, this. So max width is gonna be this, and minimum width is gonna be this. Okay. So that looks a bit better. And now we need to add a padding. So you guys can see. We need to add the padding in here. So, but I can just take everything from here because it's just, that's pretty much what I've done, right? So let me just take all this stuff. This can just be global. So let's just focus on one thing first. So okay, so this is the mobile, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, now, okay, max width, this is the header. I think this is actually perfect, but we need to add, let's see. We need to keep it like this. So how can we do that? Okay, the header is actually fine. It's responding as we should, but here it's not fine. So, but we want to keep it like that. I don't know why it's, I think it's because of here. Yeah, of course, that's why. We need to have that as minimum width. There we go, guys. There we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah, this needs to be centered. It's not really. So yeah, we need to fix. I don't know why there's no. Oh, it's the class. I think that's why. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna give this the class of hero landscape or something. There we go. Yeah, I should have this to the source. So without the dot, but it's not working. So min width. Yeah, we can just have two images though, I think. I shouldn't be. Yeah, like that. And we are going to just in here in mobile, I'm just gonna put this is the header. Display. What the heck? Okay, and then we're gonna go here and here and remove this. It's still being displayed. Hero landscape. Yeah, we're just gonna do this. It's showing, so this is perfect. So this is what we do. We just have two images, and we are just gonna use display non-display block. Okay. Now we have, okay, so mobile here is perfect, as I said. So we don't need to worry about mobile because it's as it should be. So what we can do is just copy. Yeah, we only need this one. So I'm just gonna copy everything here until the main, until the let's see, we're gonna take this too, and then the body, and I'm gonna just, this is the mobile max width, blah blah blah. So I'm just gonna do here, and what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm going to remove everything that has to do with style. All right, so max width 100%. That's in the global, we don't need that. The height is not the same, is it? It's not, so we can add it there. Now this is here, align item center. It's gonna be global. So we just keep this, and we can remove. Yeah, but I don't want to remove that because it's gonna make it difficult for us to style. Yeah, also this, remove this. Logo height is gonna be the same size. Yep. So this, and let's see, we have the transparent button. Is it gonna be the same on? It's not gonna be the same size. So we just gonna add the padding. Border radius is gonna be the same, I guess. Yeah, same. Okay. All right, so it's gonna be the same. We're gonna keep. We can remove that, and we can remove this. We can remove that. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's still the same. We're gonna remove these. It's gonna be the same. So we just want to keep it like that, and the hover is gonna be the same. So okay, and then main. am I gonna have display flex column item center? We want everything in the center, right? So yeah, we're gonna remove that. This hero content relative. Why we want a relative? We don't need that. Yeah, we need this to be like that, right? So I'm gonna keep these. Oh, maybe that's let's see. Yeah, we don't need that. I just need to make sure that it's actually let's see. Does something happen if I do like this? Yeah, okay. So yeah, we use this to control it. So as you can see, it's not really. I want it to be a solution, so we're gonna fix that a bit. We're gonna do 65. Okay, 16. I think this is good, but I don't know if we need this, to be honest. We don't really need that. We just need even this. We just need these, right? Because if I remove this, it's going to, oh. Yeah. So, I mean, it works, right? So, and that's because we have it in the global. That's why. Okay, so this, we need the font size. We don't need this. Font weight, we don't need that. Max weight, we need to keep that here. And this, we don't need this. Line height. Padding, we keep that. So this, definitely, we don't need that. Okay, hero image, display block, cover, height, 343, padding, yep, 15 pixels. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this takes time, but you know, as I said, this is what we have to do if you want to make the design accurate. Oh, we have an error here. Let's see. Where is the mistake at? All the way down there. Oh, we have an extra. Okay. All right, so we have done the image. So I'm gonna take the this one. I'm gonna remove it, and I'm gonna put it under with the actual image, so we have control. Okay. Now we have the stats. Again, they have different. I mean, we wanted to flex like this. Column. It's gonna be column, except here, right? Otherwise, I don't know if they have the same size. 48. 48. Yes, they do. Okay. So we can just remove the. Yeah, because a mobile is gonna be like this. The only difference is here. So I think we're gonna keep this in the global because it's gonna be aligned anyways. I'm just gonna remove that, and I'm gonna remove. Yeah, this is gonna be the same. Column align over center. I'm gonna keep this one here. Do they have No, the padding is probably, yeah, it's different. So we're gonna keep the padding there. The number, font size, yeah, this is the same. So because if it was the same everywhere, like wouldn't have to wait. Yeah, we wouldn't have to do so much. But it's the fact that it's not the same. So text here 40. Yeah, I think it's the same text there, so that's good. So we can literally remove let's see, we can keep it the same. So we keep it in global. Only here we need to do it differently. It's in the desktop. So I'm just gonna remove yeah, the width 100%. Height, it's not the same. So we need to keep the height. Border radius, so keep that. Margin top, that's the same. So we have to keep margin height and margin top. We can just remove that. Z index -1, so we can show there. Video global. Yeah, so we can remove justify content center, align items center, column, display flex, and position relative. Okay, Jeremiah, this is just skip like that. 252, 252. Yeah, it's only different in there, so we can. The blur is obviously the same, I guess. We're just gonna keep that. Yeah, so the hair we said it's the same, right? So we can just remove pretty much. Let's just keep the padding. Because the padding is gonna be different. Oh, it's not. It's okay. So we can just completely remove this. And JR. That's awesome, guys. We remove so much of this. That's crazy. So yeah, here we only keep this here, and we will do it differently in the footer. That's basically it. So now we need to go and focus on tab. So we are done with mobile. Like we are done with mobile now. I'm not doing more in there. Now we need to focus on the tablet view. So as you guys can see, we need to have it like this. So we need to use a grid for that. So let's see. Yeah, we're gonna copy all this. Actually, I need to go to the, again, we need to copy the the header. Let's see, am I doing right? Yeah. But the header is actually good, I think, here. So we don't need to do the header. We just need to do the main text. Like this. Let's go to tablet view. And remember, we can put this like here. And I'm just going to paste that in here. Copy this. Display. We're gonna put everything here, and we're gonna put this here. Okay, so you guys can see we have an issue because it's not called hero, it's called, let me see. Hero landscape and hero image portrait. So we need to portrait. So we need to put this here. That. Because that's what we want to show, right? This is the one. Let's see. This one is, yes, this one. Okay. So we're going to get the height for that. So 482 pixels. But why is it showing like that? Is it because the padding? It is. Yeah. So, and also we needed to have it there. So we need to do grid. So this is the difficult part. It's not really difficult if you are like good at CSS, but I'm not really that good. So again, we don't need this. We need to, but we need to like, okay, so hero content. Yeah, we need to change the font here. So it's going to be 56, 3.5 RAM. The max width of this one is 573. Oops. Okay. And we need to text here. We need to, I think it's actually the same, which is okay. It's the same, so that's cool. Just keep this out here. The buttons as well. That's definitely not the same, I think. 56. Oh, it is. Okay, great. Great. We can just remove that. We can remove this. So I don't know why we have this thing. Okay, so this is the hero image. And we need to figure out. Okay, so now we need to use grids. So we need to go to the hero contents. No, we need to go to hero text. And this is the one we're going to use the grid on. So I'm going to go to, we can just, spread grids. I just want to show you guys what's going to happen. So grid, repeat to 1 FR. All right. Of course, we can't do like that. Yeah, so we need to put actually need to put this in a own container. So let's do, I'm just gonna do div, because we need to like, all right, there we go. And then we're gonna call this like that. We can give another name for this. I'm just gonna call this text sec. We need to display, because this is not, also the image, I don't know why it's okay. So yeah, guys, this is how the CSS is. Sometimes it just you know, you gets a bit messy. But yeah, we need to center this. I don't know why the image is scaling like that though. Yeah, we need to have a fixed width, I guess, there. I don't know. So the width is 281. I'm just gonna do pixels. Yeah, that looks better. Now we need to, I can't believe that the text there is like, oh, we need to do it in the global too, I guess. That's why. Okay. So we need to center this, and we need to also, yeah, we need to center. So I'm gonna do, how am I gonna center that? Let's see. One, span two. Okay, but we wanted to center that. Because now everything is everything is on the left. So maybe we need to justify. Right, so I think we're gonna do a little bit of cheating, guys, and just do it the dirty way, because right now I can't for the life of me figure out. So we're gonna take this and we're going to just margin. And we're gonna do z index. Yeah. We just gotta do like that, I think. We need to fix them width here, which I thought I did. But where I didn't. Yeah, the thing is with this, we should move it, so we need to like, but it's not like in the middle. So let me see. Okay, guys, I think I figured it out after playing around a bit. So the only thing I need to just adjust this. So you guys can see it's in the center now, and it's kind of, you know, yeah, this is the best I could do. And but we need to, yeah, as you guys can see, we need to adjust the text a little bit. So we're gonna do. Yeah, we're gonna do something like that. So I just wanted to be the same as this, right? And I'm gonna adjust the, yeah, something like that. Let me see. Yeah, maybe a little bit. We don't have to be perfect. Now we need to do the curved line. Also, we need to do something with the UL. So we're just gonna do UL grid column 1. We need to actually wait. Okay, so I need to think a bit. Yeah, let's just do the line. Okay, so the line is, that's too much. Let's do, oops. Oh, that's too much. Oh, that's almost 20, 90, 70. Okay. So as you can see, the line is also a bit bolder. So we're gonna do, I don't know how we're gonna change that. But we can just make it like that. So we're gonna do pixels and height 29. Okay, so let's just try to move it from the right dimensions. So we're gonna do bit height and all right, guys. So I think that's that. Now we need to just do this. So we need to do something with the UL. So let's just go to the UL here and this is the hero image stats. So this is display flex column. Yeah, I wanted to display like that. And we want to adjust this. It's 10, not 10, it's like more than that. They have width inside of them, so yeah, we just, okay, I guess we just gonna add the width inside of them. Let's just add that here. Pixels. Yeah. I guess that's it. And it's gonna A892. So we're gonna do that. So padding, that's padding top in the middle. Do we need that? We don't need that here. We just need the padding. So padding top 88. So 88, 5.5 RAM. So padding top RAM and padding bottom is 92. But we will do the padding from the actual man. Okay. So yeah, starting to look like something. So that's good. So let's go here. We need to change the image, I think. The image is actually the same. So I don't think we need to change anything there. We just need to add the padding there. So let's go to, yeah, so you can see it says top, but in the actual box margin top we need to change the 92. So let's see, 92. So we just need to change from 15 RAM to, wow, I eyeballed it. So but there's clearly more heading, I mean space here, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna play, maybe we can do like, I don't know, 18 RAM. Yeah, so that's pretty much good looking, guys. I don't know if this is supposed to be aligned with this. So, second. I think it is. So let's just find the width of that. 686. So I think I removed B. So let's go here. Let's get this. We need to find the one with, let's see. Okay, let's just do the header. We need to target the header, I mean, and we need to go to here. I think it was 648. Let's see, 689. 9 pixels. And we need to obviously center that. So okay, let me just examine. So we need to center it in the head. Oh, it's not being applied because display block. So where do we have display block? Oh, we have it in, oh. Okay. Okay. All right, let's deal with that later, guys. All right, guys, so we have it like this, and now we need to do this part. So let's just do that. So let's go to the footer, and we need to display row. Let's see what we're doing. Align item center. Okay. And we need to we need to have a space there. So, but I think we have to do it according to that. So this is 689. So we're gonna do 689. And we're gonna do justify content space around. Yeah, because I don't know, are we supposed to have width like this? Or is he going to like follow with the, I think it looks more beautiful when you follow. So I'm gonna do space even, no, space between. And we're gonna add padding of 40, oh, 39. Let's do that. 39. Padding. Like this. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is it, guys. Like that. And also we need to have this when you hover over the icon. So I'm gonna put that in the when you hover over it, it's kind of dark blue or gray. I don't know. That looks like gray to me. So let's put that in the yeah, we should actually wrap this in a tag, but I didn't do that, so it's not working. Oh my god. All right, screw it, guys. We're gonna do it later. I don't have really time for that. So now we have done the. This is the mobile. This is the tablet. Now we're gonna do the desktop. Hello YouTube. So I went ahead and I just finished it. It's not 100% because I went through so much hassle. So I'll just show you guys the actual responsive of it. You guys can see it's like, let me just turn this off. So as you guys can see, it is responsive. But I had to use grids and it's not really perfect, but it was so much work. So I'm gonna explain to you guys the problem that I encountered. The problem I went through was because of my CSS. I had so much, I had to go back and forth, back and forth. So I'm gonna provide this file in the description below so you guys can go check it out, because I don't think I can go through everything what I did. But yeah, I had to use grid for this, and thank you guys for watching. And next video I will do better. So yeah, make sure to watch. Bye.